So we always talk to people all the time, and they want to talk about privacy. And as you can see behind these particular bushes, there's an old ratty building that's fallen down. And so in this particular place, we use these. These are green thuja arborvitae. As you can see, they are an evergreen. As we're shooting this in February, but these will provide some privacy between properties. So they stay very conical in their shape. They stay hardy and evergreen. They'll take the colds here in Georgia and in the wintertime, and they'll also provide that nice hedge. This particular application is we're right next to a retention pond area, and so we needed to protect that retention pond area from being seen, but also our client also didn't want to be able to look out their windows and see the building next door. So we use these green thuja arborvitae as a function for that option. So this is another great function for these. It's also a great barrier. They don't get wiry and spindly and all out of whack, and they kind of keep their shape. So another good option for your landscape in this particular application.